So welcome guys, let's start to design this engine block. As we can see in this our previous video, we have completed this adapter flange, and now let's start to design this part. But here you can see we have done one mistake. Actually we have created this part on this side, but we have to create this on other side. Here you can see this part is on this side. So let's start to design. Let's change this part. For changing this, first of all we have to delete this fillet radius. So delete this fillet radius. Now just we are checking double click to this part. Just make reverse to this navigation. Make here reverse to this. Press OK. Now you can see we can get this part at outer side without any interruption and without any error. Now we can give fillet value to this. So to fillet here, select this. Don't select the faces. Select only edges. Make sure that you are selecting only edges, not as face. Here again we will select face, so remove from this. And now give value as 12 and press OK. Now you can see we have completed this part. Actually we have made this part mistakenly at this side, so we have to take a reverse value for this, and we have created this part at other side. So this mistake is overcome. Now let's start to create this next part. You can see which part we have to create. One pocket value we have to create here, means some material we have to remove for this engine block. Here you can see we have completed this. Now you can see this part we have to remove. Here you can see the on value is also given here. So let's start to make this. For creating this, we have to choose one plane which is higher we have. So go to sketch positioning and select this plane. Make sure all the vector point is this parallel to this line. Now let's start to design this part. So to design this, we have to create one horizontal line from here to here, and this line from this face. It will be presented here. And just project these circles, make them as a construction reference purpose only, and uncheck to this reference again. Now create one two circles here, one is here, another area here it should be line on same axis. Value for this circle is max HD radius value is given. So view here radius value is 6. This also 6. From this center it is present at for that we have to create one center rectangle here. This also act only for reference purpose. We are creating these two circles. Now uncheck this. Now give dimension for these two circles. From vertical axis it is given as T1. You can see here this value is given as 51. This is 51. Now we have to create one arc here. I go to this same point arc and select this and this. Make it is tangent to this line. And radius value for this is given as 42. The same we have to create at other side also. And make these two lines tangent. Value for this arc is 41. And make sure this and this lines also tangent. Let's start to create next part. We have to create two circles here, which is concentricity to this hole. Making concentricity to this first. So this is concentric. And this is also concentric. Now give value for these circles, which is given as 13 radius. And same also here we have to give 14 radius value. we have to create one arc here, tangent to this also, tangent to this also. So make sure to first of all make this line, this arc is tangent to this circle. Next it is tangent to this. And same we have to create it on the other side also. It should be tangent first. Again here is one arc which is tangent to this one. And its value is 41. And go to operation command and remove this. Also from this distance we have to remove. Now let's start to give more dimensions because we have to create fully constant here. And also another value is given, like this distance is given, which is 25. Again go to quick trim and delete these unwanted lines here. This and this. Make sure this line is coming like so that it should not be tangent. To remove this tangent first. So remove this tangent. remove this tangent also. And also the value is here. Also from here to here also the value we have to give as 8. Now we can adjust this. Like this we can take it is just give something dimension and check which is perfect. It is perfect. Now adjust this also somewhat like here. It is perfect. This is also perfect. Now go to quick trim again and select these unwanted lines here. Now we can check that this sketch is fully constrained. Just give this value. Now as it is to the sketch workbench. Now we have to use pocket command here. Before going to pocket here, you can see one black top with some open cap is there. So go to again this stream and select this make this part perfect and exit this to the sketch workbench. Now go to pocket command here and the depth value for this here you can see in this section view at BP 50 mm. So give depth value here as a 50 mm. Now you can see how this part is created. This material is removed by our side. Now you can see next only one part is remaining. So we will design the next part in next video. So see you again guys in next video.